Of Shane Bradley role before, so it truly is such an honor and such a privilege to be part of Shane Bradley. Of Shane Bradley role before, so it truly is such an honor and such a privilege to be part of Shane Bradley.
Diba pag narinig natin ng Mother Superior, naisip na natin, masungit siya. Ayun, masungit ako. Namiss ko doing it. Namiss ko yung environment ng horror. I don't watch horror films, but I like making them. But at least sa Shake It Up and Roll, kasama ako. Dun sa...
Masaya siya laruin kasi first time ko nga din ganitong klaseng role na isa akong DJ. And I'm there.
Nasa posisyon na tao. Challenges doon, syempre yung pag-isip ng buong karakter, para sa akin, brilliant.
Si Faye, hardworking din siya, but at the same time, may gusto rin siyang gawin para sa sarili niya. I think one of the challenges is kung paano ko maiiba si Faye. Pero so far, masasabi ko namang kapit na kapit din ako sa kanya. Nakikil ko siya.
Tulong o yung kanyang kapatid sa panahon na kailangan nila. Iba talaga. Iba na siya na ginagawa ko na. Yun yung challenge.
And I play the role of Malena. Strong, very loving, kayang ibigay ang lahat at kung kayang protektahan ang lahat ay gagawin. Very physical siya. Minsan pag uwi mo, meron kang mga bugbog content. And then minsan paus ka kasi you've been screaming the entire day. Pero ang maganda ron, yun nga sabi ko ay, I cannot say na hindi siya mahirap gawin kasi sa totoo lang mahirap siyang gawin. Kapag nakikita mo na yung kinalabasan ng ginawa ninyo, oh, bongga.
Special about her. Meron siyang mga special skills. There's something really special about her. Very challenging role. I would say pivotal na din. And we'll see how things turn out sa first episode with the role of her.
Ng grupo nilang nakaka-survive ngayon sa 2050 na punong-puno ng aswang. Hindi niya gusto yung sitwasyon kung nasaan siya pero wala siyang choice kasi nasa survival mode na sila. Puno kami ng dugyot dito sa episode namin at para maging character din kami.
Play the role of Edric. So yung character ko, isa siyang palaban na babae. Palaban siya to the point na, diba, hanggang dulo, lalaban talaga. Her family, for herself, everyone else. Kasi, ano talaga, gusto niya matapos yung kaguluhan, yung mga aswang and all. It's very raw. So, hindi ka pwede maganda-gandahan doon. Wala talaga, papasok ako, walang makeup, papasok ako sa set, walang makeup, pero puro dumi. This is very real and very raw. Talagang makikita mo.
To complete the official photo op, this is so grand. Okay, I understand naman the excitement. Sige, Mr. Reed, join your cast there. Hindi na ito patatagalin. We have seen the teasers, the trailer. Today is even more exciting as we unveil. We will, I'd like to call in Richard Gutierrez on this side. Richard, please, this side. As we unveil the official poster. And of course, Ms. Carla Abellana and Madeline Ray is joining Richard here. Your focus, your attention in this area, please. I call it Richard Gutierrez is back in the big screen. Okay, mag-countdown tayo. Quiet everyone. Okay, a count of 5 minutes. Charot lang yung 5 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ito po ang official physical poster ng SRR Evil Origins. At nakikita niyo lang po sa widescreen ang digital version po ng ating poster. Ayan po siya. Wow! Okay. We'd like to request now Ms. Madeline, Ms. Carla, and Richard to join your co-actors dito sa stage as we begin with the second part of our event, the official. Okay, order! We encourage everyone to please use the official hashtags. That is the managers. Okay, I think Ms. Madeline needs this time. Settle down, members of the media, vloggers, influencers, as we begin with our hello Mel. Hindi na against the light. We will turn that off later on. Okay yan, we're good. Ang ganda. Sige na, settle down na tayo. We will begin. Ang dami-dami. Grabe yung energy. Wala pang bumabang energy this afternoon. Okay, settle down everyone. Security, please settle. I-clear na natin yung front of stage. Okay, we're gonna turn back. Okay, this is the exciting part ng ating event today. This is the official Q&A. Yung mga nasa harap po, clear na natin. Thank you po yan, clear na natin. We have enough footage na rin naman. Okay, fans, settle down. Enough of the sigawan, please. This is a part we will respect kasi this is important kasi magtatanong ng ating mga members of the media, ha? Konting katahimikan na po dito sa theater. Masasabi lang, di ba? Okay. We have to, we need to respect this part. This is the part where the media friends natin is participating, ha? Baba na ng audio ng BTR because effort na ako.
ni Marshall na. Walang Marshall.
Okay. So ito na. Before the Q&A, I'd like to thank our for our loot bags for today. No? Yeah, even for the cast members, we prepared Brandy's donuts for everyone. Okay, so this one, hindi ko na patatagalan. I understand the excitement, everyone's excitement. So at this point, okay, clear natin kasi there's people in the back. Now we need, please, this will be the last time I will appeal to you. Quiet po tayo while the press people are engaging with our actors. Please. The first set of questions will come from the entertainment editor of the Philippine Star, Miss Natalie Tomada. Kung sino tatanungin po niya, you may greet na rin personal ang ating mga members of the media and the fans as well. Go, Miss Nat, hi! Of course, anyone. We've na-pick up na rin naman natin yung mga magandang sinabi ni Mr. Sir Kate and the creatives and director. We will still entertain questions, of course, if you need to ask Mr. Sel and the other guests. Go ahead, Ms. Natalie.
Okay. My first question is for
So the question is for our CEO and President, Mr. Sel. Ms. Natalie, no? Kailangan ba ganito maganda kagagawa po ang cast natin?
How are you able to pull off this casting coup?
Paano nga ba, Natalie? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mahirap i-achieve. Mahirap talaga different generations. Diba? Mane, baka pa si Mane, 5 years. When you started, you were sitting on top of the dining table in the house of my mom. Okay, pero natutuwa ako kasi, syempre from the heart, pinili namin itong mga artista. Syempre basing from yung expertise nila, diba? So, at saka yung, saan ba sila bagay? Sino bang babagay dito sa character mo? So, yun talagang unang-una naming criteria. Kung sino talaga babagay dito sa character mo. Magagampanan na napaka on point sa character.
It took us one year to put this cast together. Pero all the effort was worth it to bring all these people to the big screen.
How about the directors and I know mismo yung writing team natin, all